Are you stuck in a boring breakfast rut? I totally get that. Mornings are simply too busy to put much effort into breakfast. Between rushing to get screaming kids to school, or just getting yourself dressed and out the door, it feels like there's never enough time for breakfast. Maybe you too are in a repetitive breakfast cycle of cold cereal, frozen waffles, or just a hunk of bread. Well, have I got the recipe that is sure to break up that breakfast rut. Chocolate baked oatmeal. Hi there, I'm Adam from therealrecipes.com, and today we are fixing that boring breakfast routine. We are making chocolate baked oatmeal. A simple, deceptively decadent, yet healthy and filling way to start your day. Let's get into it. Here's the simple ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Cocoa powder, milk, you can use a non-dairy alternative if you'd like, maple syrup. I live in Vermont where maple syrup is used in just about everything. This one should last a week or two. Melted butter, use melted coconut oil if you'd prefer, baking powder and salt, eggs or flax eggs, vanilla, bittersweet chocolate, use a vegan chocolate if you'd like, and of course, the oats. Baked oatmeals are quite simple. You could just dump all your ingredients into the baking dish, but I think you'll get better results like this. Start by mixing together the oats with the cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Now stir in the lightly beaten eggs, maple syrup, melted butter, and vanilla. At this point, it should look like cookie dough. Now add the milk and stir until all ingredients are well coated. It'll look a little like chocolate oat soup. We're going to add it to an 8-inch square baking dish. This one has a non-stick coating, but I'm still going to hit it with a little bit of cooking spray to ensure nothing sticks. If you make yours in a non-coated baking dish, I recommend using parchment first. Now top with the chopped bittersweet chocolate and bake at 375 degrees until set and firm, about 30 to 40 minutes. While it cooks, let's talk a bit about oats. This recipe uses good old-fashioned rolled oats. Oats have earned their health food status because they are high in dietary fiber, which will help you feel full all morning. Plus, oats are packed in vitamins, minerals, and even protein. As the chocolate baked oatmeal cooks, it'll smell like brownies. It'll even look like brownies, but it's not brownies, it's breakfast. Be sure to let it cool for about 10 minutes before serving. It's perfect all on its own, but you can add a spoonful of yogurt and some fruit if you'd like. It's delicious warm, room temperature, or even cold. And here's one of my favorite parts of this recipe. Remember all those boring breakfasts? Well, you can enjoy this chocolate baked oatmeal all week long. Just transfer to an airtight container and store in the refrigerator. And if you have company and want to prep it out in advance, you can. Simply assemble, cover, and refrigerate overnight, then bake the next morning and enjoy it hot out of the oven. This is a perfect breakfast for chocolate lovers, like me. Super chocolatey, not sweet, or at least not too sweet. Definitely give this one a try. I hope this video inspires you to try this recipe and up your breakfast game. And remember, feeding someone is one of the best ways to show them how much you care. So why not make yourself something healthy and delicious too? Life can be stressful and chaotic. Just don't forget to feed yourself. Until next time, keep cooking.